to upload a 10-minute video on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first of all, I want to show you that I have this feature and then I will tell you how to get it too. So if we click on the plus icon like we usually do, we will have to go to uploads, and then from here you have to search for a video which is longer than 3 minutes, up to 10 minutes. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I found a video which has 7 minutes, nearly 8. Then click next. And then from here you have to click next again and wait for it to process. It will take a while because it is a really long video. So if you don't have this feature, you just have to make sure that your app is fully updated. So go to your Play Store, search for TikTok. And then here you have to update your app. Mine, as you can see, is already updated. So another thing that you can do is go to your settings. Then scroll down until you find apps. Then here search for TikTok. Click on it. And then you can go to storage and clear the data and the cache. But if you do this, all your drafts will be deleted, so be aware of that. So if you still don't have your 10-minute feature after this, then that means that you will get it a little bit later, or you are in a country which this feature is not available yet. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and tell me if you like this feature or not. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.